Welcome to the GIA Education Report. With the latest in Southern California education news, I'm Melissa Silva. In a major move toward cleaner transportation, the White House announced nearly $900 million in funding to 500 school districts to replace aging, gas-fueled school buses with newer, primarily electric models. This funding is a part of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's Clean School Bus Program, established by the 2021 Bipartisan Infrastructure Law. This third installment of the $5 billion five-year program will enable the purchase of 3,400 school buses, with 92% being electric. About 67% of the funds will benefit low-income, tribal, and rural communities. The initiative is a key element of President Biden's strategy to modernize public school infrastructure, cut pollution from older buses, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and support underserved communities. It also aims to boost demand for American-made electric vehicles, aligning with the administration's climate and economic goals. In other news, 3 exceptional students from Fontana high schools have been awarded $1,500 RIMS-AVID scholarships for their academic excellence. Jessica Chavez from Fontana A.B. Miller High School, Karen Loera from Summit High School, and Jasmine Morales Diego from Fontana High School were recognized for their outstanding achievements. These students were among over 3,000 graduating seniors who participated in the 28th annual RIMS-AVID Seniors Recognition Ceremony. The RIMS-AVID program spans Riverside, Inyo, Mono, and San Bernardino counties and has supported these students for 4 to 7 years, helping them excel academically and prepare for their futures. Congratulations to those scholars. The Summer Pre-Nursing Foundations program, hosted by Cal Baptist University, is offering an engaging 2-day on-site experience for incoming pre-nursing students. This initiative aims to prepare students for campus life and the rigorous math and science courses they'll face in the upcoming fall semester. The program kicks off with an evening session for both parents and students, covering campus resources, academic success strategies, and the nursing major application process. For more insight, we spoke with Wayne Fletcher from California Baptist University, who highlighted the program's comprehensive approach to fostering student success.
Back in October of 23, CBU was awarded a $3 million HSI grant. Part of what we're focused on with that is trying to increase the success rate of our pre-nursing students. The goal of this pre-nursing foundations program is for students and parents alike to hear what the expectations are. I think a second, though, reason is to understand there are multiple pathways into healthcare. So a lot of this is just really trying to psychologically get them prepped for what it's going to take to be successful at the university level.
And that's this week's GIA Education Report. I'm Melissa Silva.